In today's video, we've got Greenlight Hitch and Tow Series 25, released in summer 2022. Just getting in time for the review here before the fall wave of Series 26 comes. And also, of course, I've got a monster truck to look at with you guys. Now, remember, always play nice with your Greenlight toys because they are not toys. They're actually collectibles. Oh, we got a broken hitch ball. Oh no. Welcome back, fans of Greenlight, specifically the Hitch and Tow series. I've got the complete Series 25, all 4 trucks and trailers. Today, in the packaging, everything coming out for a full loose review. First up, the 2020 Ram 2500 Laramie and Tandem car trailer. Then we've got the 1982 GMC K2500 Sierra Grande Wideside and Tandem trailer. Very cool truck there. Probably my favorite in the bunch, however, is going to be this newer casting of the 88 GMC S15 Sierra with Canoe and Kayak trailer. Also, of course, featuring the Canoe and the Kayak with that trailer. Finally, rounding out the bunch, we've got the 1972 Nissan Patrol and 1/4 ton cargo trailer. And just as an added bonus, I'm going to open up this Black Bandit limited edition collection 1974 Ford F-250 Bigfoot #1. Everything coming out for a loose review and roll here on the mat. Let's go ahead and start with that 2020 Ram 2500 Laramie. Now the packaging on these is all the same for Series 25. You're going to have the list of all 4 vehicles as usual on the back. And to be honest, Series 26 is hot on the heels of Series 25 at the time of filming. So I'm probably getting to this set just in time before the new one comes out in the next month or two. I'm sure before Christmas anyways. So we've got 2 car haulers in this series of hitch and tow trucks, which is fine, but I would have liked to seen a little bit more variety in the trailers. I do love these car hauler trailers because they are quite new still. And I just discarded the packaging, but don't forget your little jack if you're opening these up. You're going to want to take that little piece of tape off and get all the little parts, the ramps and everything. So we'll look at the truck in just a second, but here's the trailer, and the ramps are made of plastic, so you got to be really careful clipping them onto the otherwise metal trailer. Now, I typically do this off camera, so I think that's what I'm going to do, as sometimes they can be a little bit of a challenge to get them in without breaking the clips. We've got some real quality products here. We've got these floppy ramps that don't really work without breaking all the clips right off the bottom. These are not meant to be played with. These are just for display, so don't buy these for your kids. They won't hold up to it. So we're just going to go without that for now, and the trailer does sit on the hitch really nicely. It's a great rolling truck and trailer. Room for lots of spare tires on that trailer. And of course, this coming straight out of the package, so we can see it is quite shiny, in very good condition. Doesn't appear to be any flaws of any kind. And it does have the plastic base with the chrome running boards. All die-cast metal body, of course, and no opening parts on this one. Still got those mirrors I noticed the last time I looked at the Dodge Laramie truck that seem to be often too high. On the driver's side, it looks like it's about right. But on the passenger side, it looks like it's been bumped upwards. So I'm not sure how easy that is to fix without taking the mirror off and possibly putting in a dab of glue to straighten it out, because pushing it down is not going to work, as these are solid plastic mirrors. They're not rubbery ones. But yeah, pretty cool truck and trailer there. Got the Mopar livery on it. And of course, if we had a nice Mopar car, we could put that on the back. But I don't have anything other than what's handy here. How about this, what is it, Dodge Monaco or Plymouth Fury from Hazard County. We'll just imagine the ramps are on there. It's a bit of a big car. Not sure it's going to fit. Well, it doesn't really fit. It doesn't fit under the tire rack. So, all right, wrong choice of car. I don't have any other Mopars within reach, so we'll just leave it at that. And on with the next vehicle, which is going to be the 1982 GMC K2500 Sierra Grande Wideside. And of course, it also has the same trailer, tandem trailer. Now, this is okay if you don't buy the full set and you just want to get certain vehicles from the set, but I would, like I said, prefer slightly more variety in these trailers, but once again, we've got a nice version of it here, and beige rack. It's quite a lightweight trailer. It is mostly metal, however. Official Busted Knuckles licensed product, it says on the base. Let's see if we can get these ramps on any easier on camera. I mean, they're technically supposed to fold up, but I don't know. I'm not a big fan of how these work, to be honest, Greenlight. So I'm just going to leave it at that because, like I said, I've snapped those before. But there we've got the matching truck, big old square body. Let's see if we can zoom in on that livery there. You got the busted knuckle. That's pretty cool. Band-Aid on the finger, kind of homemade Band-Aid. Repair and despair under one roof. Is that right? I don't know. I can barely read it. So there's the truck. Pretty good looking. It's got that separately cast hood piece, but it does not open. And good details on the wheels. The chrome center caps and the rally wheels have all got their openings cleared. There's no plastic flashing in the way. Let's see how it rolls. The trailer is going to clip on nicely, which is good. Oh, it's a nice solid roller again. Like I said in the last Greenlight review video, seems like they've really dialed in the axles and the wheels, and we're not seeing any problems here. So I just noticed on the back wheel, looks like there's a bit of an issue with that one. Just a little bit of flashing on the chrome center hub that I'll have to trim off with my hobby knife. So there you go. Once again, I'll get the jack out of the package off camera. It's not really critical for the review of this video. Oh, the trailer came off again. Okay, now let's look at the 88 GMC S15 Sierra and Canoe and Kayak trailer. So they've released this trailer combination several times now. It was new this year. I've got about at least 3 or 4 of them now, I think. So it's not new to me anymore. Clear the table, some rubbish here off camera. Make some room. But it's still pretty cool. It's a lightweight trailer. I'm going to look at the truck first. Apologies for all the crinkles. Now this is a really, really cool truck. Unfortunately, it looks like I've got a big wheel ding on the front. That's not so great. Didn't see that. It's funny the things you notice when you take them out of the package, but still, it's not the end of the world. I mean, these things happen. A little bit of curb rash. It's an older truck. I can come up with a story to excuse the damage somewhat, but as a collector, it is disappointing, I have to be honest. The quality control should have caught that, I would hope. But then again, I didn't catch it, so I'm not sure how closely the manufacturing line is looking at these trucks as they are assembled. It's a really nice looking truck. Oh my goodness, we got another big problem. The windshield isn't fully molded, so this is a damaged truck. It's got only part of the windshield molded. Looks like the plastic factory ran out of plastic trying to make this windshield. So that is really double disappointment on my favorite casting in the series. Not impressed, Greenlight. This is just not great. Here I'm touting all the good rolling, but again, we've got consistent manufacturing issues with Greenlight. Quality control is still not 100%, nor anywhere near it, actually. Let's see if the kayaks and canoes are in any better condition. I mean, hopefully they get a single plastic piece mold complete without too many problems. Yeah, so there you got a canoe. And then you got the little plastic kayak, which actually does have pretty decent detail. Painted white seat and the black rubber cap. You got the trailer. Also, again, good job on the rims, the wheels. And it appears everything is there. Got the removable little tonneau cover that slides out. Just want to add some extra things in for storage there. Just a lot of gimmicky little parts on here, but it's nice it has a real spare tire glued to the back. And let's hook up to this disheveled truck. Put the kayaks on the racks. I mean, you could use the lower racks too, but nice rolling truck anyways. I mean, everything's rolling straight. But what a shame about the windshield, especially. I was going to excuse the rim, but now I'm having trouble, so I'll have to go find another one of those, I guess, and look closely at it before I buy it. That's going to bother me. So anyways, maybe that's part of the Greenlight plan. They get you to buy 2 of everything, because one of them usually has a problem. I don't know. Alright, so we got the 72 Nissan Patrol here. I do like this little cargo trailer. It's also fairly new, and it's got a lot of metal in the trailer. Nice little matching set. Nissan Patrol sometimes has a removable rooftop, but this one does. Appears like it's maybe glued on. You can see it kind of wants to lift, but I'm not going to yank on it. I've got enough problems as it is. Windows are quite foggy on just at least one side. It's like a glue haze, unfortunately, that usually does not come off. And it's on, well, this one's on the outside. I might be able to scrub off with a microfiber. I'm not really sure. But we'll try it. We'll try it right now. Why the heck not? What do we got to lose? There we go. Yeah, cleaned up a little bit. I mean, I'll get a Q-tip, probably do a better job if I really care. I'm not sure I do. Nicely molded wheels. This one doesn't have any opening parts either, so we've got no opening parts on any of the trucks. Kind of a interesting selection of vehicles. And the trailer's nice. It's all metal, like I said. Let's hook it up. Nice little off-road unit here. It would have been cool if it came with some gear or something, like some shovels and some jerry cans or something, recovery gear. But perhaps it's just a little farm truck or something you see in the hills, you know, just doing its job. It rolls really good. I do have to say that. It rolls really well, I should say. Use my proper grammar here. We'll throw a kayak in the back. How about that? Boom. Okay, so no complaints on that truck. Would have been nice if this casting had a little bit more going on, but it is a nice little casting. Let's stomp all over these now with the 74 Ford F-250 Bigfoot. It's just a bonus material here I'm going to throw in because I don't have any other monster trucks at this time to review with you guys. It says collect the whole series. Oh, so this is part of the Black Bandit series. Interesting. So I got this at Aurelia Die Cast. And when they say limited edition, sometimes what they've done is Greenlight makes a lot more castings of the vehicle they deem the most popular in a set, that being the Black Bandit collection. And then they stamp limited edition on those when they sell these 6 in a case versus 1 of each of the 6 in the Black Bandit case. I am going to have to get the Black Bandit Ford Taurus for sure. I could probably miss out on all the rest of those. Curious to see that 49 Buick Roadmaster convertible. It's a pretty new casting still, I think. We're going to be seeing one of those soon in an upcoming review video, but not from Black Bandit. I do like the Black Bandit trucks and cars. They often have nice paint jobs, even though it's all black on black. Nice shiny paint jobs as of late. This one, of course, is going to be, you know, probably the best one in the bunch, and definitely the most bang for your dollar when it comes to die cast and plastic, if that's what you're after. I just really like the truck, and it's a solid roller. Let's see, let's put it somewhere where we can actually see it. Rolls just beautifully. Boom! Right into all the trucks, up and over. That's my typical vehicle sounding noise for trucks on the loose. And of course, as always, if you're after any of these vehicles, happy hunting. Don't forget to hit the notifications bell on your video feed and your YouTube settings if you're interested in seeing all my videos. Just hitting the subscribe button won't let you know when you get a video from my channel these days. You got to hit all video notifications on the YouTube settings. Just FYI. All right, thanks a lot, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Hot Wheels year by year, vintage, coming your way.